Hi, this is Vishal. Today's topic is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of computer power, database, storage, applications, and other IT resources via the internet with the pay-as-you-go pricing, whether you are using it to the run application that share photos to millions of the mobile user or to support a business critical operations and cloud services. It is nothing but the service platform provider rapidly access to the flexible and low cost IT resources. In other hand, or in other word, you can say cloud computing means storing and accessing informations and programs over the internet instead of the hard drive of your computer. You can access as many resources as you need almost instantly and only the pay for what you use. Right. For example, laptop, mobile network applications, database, web, and server, and the security, they all you can access through the cloud computing. Okay, the benefit of the cloud computing is cost saving, location independency, disasters recovery, and elasticities. So it'll instantly scale up or the down the amount of resources that actually need. You can do this. Types of cloud computing is three. One is infrastructure as a service, and the example is Amazon Web Services (AWS) or Cisco Metaports, Microsoft Azure. IaaS is infrastructure as a service. The second one is PaaS, platform as a service. And the example of PaaS is AWS Elastic, Beanstalk, or the Windows Azure, and the Google App Engine, and the Apache Stratos. Third one is software as a service. So this cloud services is used for the Google Apps, Dropbox, Salesforce, or Cisco WebEx. Software as a service. These are the three types of cloud computings. So mostly there are the three main types of models of cloud computing. Each types of cloud services and deployments methods provide you with a different level of control and the flexibility and the managements. So now there is cloud computing deployments model. There are three models: clouds, hybrid, and on-premises. So cloud means what? Everything is stored or used on the cloud. The hybrid means you can use your on premises or the private sections like and the cloud also. And the last one, on premises, means what? You are using a private cloud, refer to the cloud solution dedicated for use by the single organization. The data, the center and the resources may be locating on premises or operated by the third party center of sites like that. How cloud computing work? Like cloud computing give you access a server and storage and database and a broad set of the application services over the internet. A cloud services provide own and the maintain the network connected hardware required for the application services, which while you providing and the use of unit via the applications. So the installations of own cloud is also we will see here. Why? Because normally we see the cloud services like Google Drive and so many things out there. So now I'm going to do the cloud server. Okay, I'm just building the cloud server on my Ubuntu machines. Actually, I already done these all steps, but let me show you. There are two methods. One is by doing itself on the server. The another is using the Docker concepts. So basically, if you want to download or if you want to like build a own cloud server, okay, there is a application's name is own cloud. So you can download that own cloud applications or files in your Linux system. So before to install that, you need to prepare for the Apache services. So first install the Apache services like that, and then install MariaDB server. So obviously you can download that all things. So how to download MariaDB services like apt-get install MariaDB server, MariaDB client, and why. If you use Kali Linux, then MariaDB already installed. Just start the MariaDB. Next step is start the services, and this one is a very important. Install software properties hyphen common hyphen y. So before start your cloud own server, install these all things. And another is like install the PHP server. So if this is not work, download or install PHP by your own methods. So once you install Apache server, or if not working a PHP server, then update your systems. Okay, and this all code used for to download PHP 7.1. Use a Docker concept. It's okay if you have the 7.1 or 7 PHP. Once you install PHP, then just like open that file php.in and check it out. The file upload is on and allow URL FO1 is also on. If not, then just turn on turn on this one and then just restart your services. Okay, so later you have to download the MySQL MariaDB. Otherwise, whether it's already installed, then just create a database for own server. So for getting the access of MySQL, type MySQL -u root and -p like that. Okay, MySQL -u root -p and enter. Create here a database name. Like the database name is own cloud. You can assign the name anything else which you want. Okay. The next one is like create a user, like creating the user and set the password for that user. Give the permissions for that user of that database name, like granting the all on the own cloud database to the user Nisha, or the password of that user is 123. Once you're done, flush privilege, it means it will store for further in a MySQL database. Once you've done everything, you need to download, like the own cloud 10 point something version, but it will not available using that link. Okay, so what I am doing here, yeah, you can click on the server and then here on zip file. So this one is the best way to download first and extract the file, right? Simple. So once it is download and extract, you can unzip the file, right? Unzip the file using that unzip command and your file name. So once it's unzipped, assign the, move that entire file. I already moved that file. Okay, let me show you. Okay, ls/home Kali. Here is my own cloud server, own cloud. So there is all, I already downloaded the file and everything is there. Yes. So now that I just move here in a www.html on cloud. Okay. So you can also move that file here and assign the permission as a user www data. Also assign the permission 777. Now once you've done that all thing, just skip that things, skip that things, skip that things, and just open the website, like your website name or your IP address on the another system, like 192.168.3.22.222:8080 or 80. Okay. Now in my cases, what happened? I am not using that, like that server. I use a Docker concept. Okay, so how I use that Docker concept, installing the own cloud, I just installed a docker.io file. This is the method, second method for use or run the own cloud server. And then I search the own cloud and I pull the own cloud. All right. So once I pull that out, everything, the next command is docker run -d -p start the port on the 8080 of own cloud server. So once it start, right, then I open here my IP address and the port number. So once open, it asking me something like user and the password. The user is by default user is Raj and the password is Raj. The next it will ask me for the installation, finish the services, or like finish the setup. So finally welcome will be display over there, and the final look is like that. Password is Raj. Enter. You get the access. This all. So you can upload your file and everything what you want. You can share with anybody else. Okay, the others, the favorite things, share the link. So many things is available here, right? So the file and the marketplace, everything is available here. Okay, great. So that one is a cloud platform. You can generate your own cloud platform on your web server or on a cloud server like AWS or anywhere else. So just generate that cloud server for your own purpose. You can upload your file and access that file using that own cloud. Correct. That one is interesting things to learn. So whether you are uploading your informations like a sensitive file on cloud, that is very important thing that to make sure that your cloud server is secure. So this is also important to make sure and remember nothing is secure. So try to apply the policy in the rules and just follow the security policies. That's all. I hope you understood cloud computing things. Thank you.